Hello, we're back again. This is Jeff Byers, your instructor for ANI 150, and this is Module 1, and we are in Mudbox Part 3, and you can see that I've made quite a change to my sci-fi container. It's really looking good. Really happy with that. And we've got to go ahead and save this out, but first, before we save it out, we need 2 screenshots of this container in Mudbox. So I'm going to go right down here, right next to my Windows search bar, click on search here, and just type in S, and there's the Snipping Tool. So in Snipping Tool, this will come up, and you need to go to Mode, Rectangular Snip, and just move that out of the way. And just go ahead and hold down your left mouse button and go ahead and snapshot that. And then you're going to go to File, Save As a JPEG file. And you will put your first initial, last name, underscore module 1. And we're going to call this crate detail, and we're going to do a shot. This is the front perspective. I suppose we could write that front PERSP perspective, and we'll go ahead and save that. It's going to be, just put it on the desktop for now. Here we go. And we'll do one more. Let's go ahead and swing that around to the back, like that. We want to, whenever I say I want a perspective, it means I can see 3 sides of the box. The side, the top, and the front or the back. Okay. So let's go ahead. You notice that I added a material to it. All you have to do is and this is a gesso, or gesso, or whatever. It's a good one. You can see all the highlights and stuff. I usually show off my models that way. Just click on that. Just click on it. It'll take a while, because you can just click on, if I just click on that one, it'll change to that one. It just takes a while. If I wanted to have green, I can do that. Just click on it, and then after I click on it, it will turn that color, but it takes a little while. So I'm going to go back to gesso, click on it, and then take a screenshot. So I'm going to go to the S key, Snipping Tool, and I'm going to go to Mode, Rectangular Mode. I'm going to go ahead and marquee select this. Okay, and then we're going to go to File, Save As, and I'm going to go to my desktop, and I can find my stuff here. Here it is. And I'm just going to call this back, B-A-C-K. Yes, I know you can spell back. And then click on Save. Here we go. Alright, once that's done, then we're ready to Okay, now what we got to do is we got to go make sure the box is selected. So, let's see here. Mesh. Stamp, select model. Alright, so we got to go to select model. Smooth. We got to click on objects. So go to select model and then objects. Okay. There we go. Takes a while to select it. So once selected, then we're going to go to File, Export Selection. It's going to be an OBJ. And we're going to type our name in it, J. Byers. Hi, poly detail. call it your first and last name, high poly detailed. That's your OBJ. And yeah, I think that'll do it. And we'll save that. Oh, I forgot to ask it where I wanted to save. I think it went to my desktop. So it takes a while to save this. This is a huge file. This is 8 million polygons. So make sure you give yourself lots of room. It's probably going to be about 200 megabytes. Let's see where it's saved. Export selection. It went to my desktop. Okay. Okay, cool. So there it is. We'll see how big it is. And we'll go ahead and close Mudbox down. I've been saving a lot. Oh yeah, before you probably dump this, probably go to File, Save Scene As. You can see I've got like 7 saves. Make sure you save it one more time in Mudbox so you can bring it up and maybe add more stuff to it later. But let's go ahead and close that. There we go. And this is going to be, here it is. Let's see how big that is. It is 514 megabytes. Look how big that is. Okay, it's almost a gig. That is huge. Okay, now don't give me that file. That file is way too big. I really don't want that. Okay, so make sure you have that. I'm going to take this, and these are also your this is what you're going to be turning into me for the crate detail, the high poly. These are the screenshots, okay? Screenshots. You have these screenshots and some other screenshots I need you to do, but make sure you keep a hold of those, okay? And basically that's it. It's just modeling the crate. So you got the low poly. We're gonna do the front and back view screenshots of those, and the high poly before you saved it out, and then we actually detail it, and then you're gonna turn in your rocket ship front and back and perspective and renders, and you're finished basically. So congratulations, you got your sci-fi crate completely finished. You got an OBJ, and what we'll do next in module 2 is we're going to go ahead and lay out the UVs and start texturing everything and lighting in it and rendering it. So I look forward to module 2, and I will see you guys in module 2.